YouTubers. Okay, is it kind of possible to play Subwaysurfers on an old phone? Okay, this is from my dad's old phone. I actually downloaded Subwaysurfers. This is recorded on my S3. Do you want to see what it looks like to play it on a Samsung Galaxy S1, the original one? Okay, it's crazy. Okay, see, look up, poor Jake. Post in the comments collection below to see what would you do to your phone when it keeps on doing that. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you play it on an old phone. Oh, I see. I could write it inside it. But yeah, this is recorded from Samsung Galaxy S3. Here you go. Let's replay it. Oh, it's doing better now. Wait, oh, black spikes. Oh, poor officer. Okay, bye. So this is what it would look like when you play it on an old Samsung Galaxy S. Wait for this thing to render, guys.